Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the review of this Mirana app controlled smart car. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, this is the box packaging of this remote control car. At the top you get to see a QR code which you need to scan using your mobile in order to operate this car. At the back there are some quick specs like it's made in India and it has a 1200 mAh battery. On opening the box you get to see the car itself, a USB to Type-C micro USB cable and some documentations including some stickers. So guys, now coming to the car itself, it has this on off button at the bottom of the car along with the power and charging indicator and a Type-C charging port. This car also has LEDs on both at the front and at the back of the car. In order to operate the car, first you will need to scan the QR code using your mobile and then click on the link. It will take you to Google Play Store and from where you can download the app. Then you will need to power on the car and you will see that both the power and the headlights of the car starts blinking, indicating that the Bluetooth is discoverable. Then you will need to open the app from your mobile and then search for your car and then click on connect. After the connection is successful, you will find a virtual remote control at your mobile screen. Now using this remote control you can control your car in all different directions including the front, back and at the left and the right. As you can see in this clip, the wheels of the car is rotating left and right. With this remote control you can also toggle on or off the headlights. There is also a brake button and a Nitro boost button which increases your car speed rapidly. There is also a second layout where you can turn the wheels of the car left and right using the gyro of your mobile. There are various other indicators like the battery, the Bluetooth, and you can also see how many drifts you have taken and the distance covered. So guys, now I'm going to tell you the things that I liked and disliked about this car. The first thing that I liked about this car is its looks. The looks of this car is excellent and it's also a made in India product. The second thing that I liked about this car is its lights, the headlights and the tail lights. The lights in this car looks really great. The third thing that I liked about this car is its charging. It supports Type-C charging and the charging capacity is also great. Now coming to the thing that I didn't like about this car is that it's really fast and is very difficult to operate indoors. So if you are willing to operate this car, I'll suggest you to use it outdoors to get the best experience. So guys, now coming to my conclusion on this car, this is a really value for money product. I had bought this car at rupees 1500 and in that price this car is really good. If you want to buy this product, there will be a link in the description box below from where you can buy it. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so in order to watch more tech related exciting videos in near future. That's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching.